Good morning, students. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, your English language and literature teacher, welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary Bethian. The students, in previous videos, we just came to know about different types of letters, the ways of writing the letter, and the format of different types of letter. Homework was also given and you were advised to do the homework in your school copy that you have to buy from your school. Students, today I have decided to teach you article writing, how to write article. Dear students, get ready for article writing. An article is sustained piece of writing dealing with a particular issue or topic. It is very much needed that there should be any particular issue or topic on which you have to write article. It may be reflective, descriptive, narrative and imaginative in nature. 4 important characteristics have been added here and made clear to you. They are reflective, it means it should reflect something, and it should be descriptive in nature, and the third one is that it should be imaginative or narrative in tone. The students' article is written to inform, persuade or entertain. There are 3 objectives and one of the objectives is taken while article writing is done. You are advised to make an outline of it, taking into view various aspects of the subject matter. If you have to write an article, there is subject matter given to you as a part of your question, and you are deeply advised here that you have to make outline before you start article writing. The students, how to write an article? What are the ways, what are the important points that you have to keep in your mind before you just start article writing? The first thing is to collect the material on the topic. Any topic, any subject matter is given, and your first duty, your beginning duty is to collect the material on the topic, which can be done by reading books, newspapers or magazines, by interaction and observation. So these are the ways you have been suggested. You have to read books, newspapers, magazines, and it may be done by interaction. Interaction means taking interest in the conversation, and ultimately by observation also. An outline of the article should be made before writing it. I am reminding it again and again. This is the most important thing that is needed. And what is that? You have to make an outline before you start writing your articles. The student should use simple language and avoid high sounding words or expressions. So your language should be simple, it should be arranged systematically, and there should be no high sounding words or exposures. It means the selection of vocabulary should also be done on the basis of simplicity of the subject matter. Students, there are certain important points which may be helpful in writing the letter, and I am going to describe one by one. You have to keep in mind while you start writing your letter. The first point is that the article should have a suitable title. At first you have to give a title, and title is the bearer of the central thought of the subject matter, so it should be brief and eye-catching. It should be attractive. Attractive means the moment the title is seen or looked at, the audience, the viewers may be in position to understand about what you are going to write. The second one is that the topic should be introduced in the beginning. In the beginning lines, 1, 2 or 3 lines, the topic that you have selected, the topic that you have been given must be introduced in brief. Third one is that the body of the article is divided into paragraphs, each paragraph dealing with a new point. Suppose you have decided to divide your articles into paragraphs. So when you divide, each and every paragraph should deal with a new point, and there should be continuation in your thought also. Next point is that the various aspects of the topic should be discussed. Whatever different aspects of the topic you find and you just have in your mind, they should be discussed. Don't leave any point just without discussion. Next point is that the article must have a proper ending. It should not end abruptly. It means after systematic arrangement of the facts, you have to come to the conclusion. That should not be immediate conclusion. There should be proper ending, and that is very important. You have to keep in your mind. The next point is that the name of the writer is either given immediately below the title or at the end. There are two options where you should put your name. The best and the recent option that you have to keep in mind, that you have to write your name just after the title is given in extreme right. You may write at the end, so both the options are right, so they should be kept in mind. If you forget generally to give writer's name, whatever is given in the question paper, not given, you have to give any name just after the title is given or at the end of the article writing. The overdue of quotations is to be avoided. A rough draft may be made in case the times permits. If you have sufficient times, you have to make rough drafts and then you will start writing your article. Students, in order to write good article, one needs to develop the habit of reading good books and magazines such as The Hindu, India Today, Outlook, Competitive Success Review, CSR, and the Science Reporter. These are the books, magazines suggested for writing better articles. If you go through them, you will come to know about the art of writing the best or better article in nature. So, if you have time and if you are interested in writing beautiful and just bona fide article, you should just study the books given, the name of the books given here regularly. The last point that you have to keep in mind, the given visual or verbal input must be used in the article. Whatever inputs or verbal inputs or visual inputs are there, they should be given proper place in that article in that way. So students, important points I have discussed clearly, and in next video I will teach you what is the format of an article. So stay at home, stay healthy,